how to activate Shopee S Loan and apply for a fast loan. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can activate S Loan on Shopee and then apply for a fast loan. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. In order to activate Shopee S Loan, first you can go ahead and go to the finance page or me tab on the Shopee app. Then you want to tap on S Loan, and then you should get the option to activate, and you can tap on activate and activate it once you enter the OTP. Now however, if you are on your home page, you might also get the S Loan option on your screen. Then you can tap on it, and once you tap on it, it should give you the option to verify, enter the OTP, tap on activate now, enter the OTP, then upload a valid government ID. Once you have done so, you can see you'll get the available credit option that is available to you, and then below it you shall find withdraw now option. You can tap on withdraw now option. Then you want to input the loan amount, how much you want to withdraw from your limit. So once you enter in, you can select the tenure, and you can go ahead and tap on withdraw now and get the credit. This is how you can activate Shopee S Loan and apply for fast loan. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.